Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Hammer KO earbuds. This is the box that it comes in. It's written "Not the Unusual." There is a photo of the earbuds. It looks very sleek. It's a very sleek looking box as well. Over here we have some information like this particular earbuds comes with touch controls, is IPX4 water resistant and has a fall-free design for intense workouts. Over here it has "Not the Unusual" written all over again. There's some information at the back. It's written this is supposed to be Bluetooth 5.0. Battery type is rechargeable polymer lithium battery. So the charging case has 500 mAh battery, while each of these earbuds have 50 mAh, which means that two of them combined is 100 mAh battery capacity. These earbuds have a standby time of 60 hours and a playtime of 4.5 hours. That's more or less it for information. Now let's open this box and take a look inside. There's some nice design elements over here. It's very good packaging. There's a lid over here. Have to be very careful so that I don't destroy it. This is one box. This is the charging case. It's pretty big. There's some documents over here as well. Let's quickly go through each of these components. First off, we have the user manual for the Hammer KO earbuds. You should read this at least once. Here. So these are warranty, registration and extended warranty for the Hammer KO earbuds. I'm going to leave them over here as well. Let's see what's inside this box. Okay, so there's a packet that contains charging cable and two pairs of silicone buds. They're very loose. I'm going to bring them over here. So there are two pairs of silicone buds. I think they are the large and small size silicone buds. And this here is the micro USB charging cable. This is also a flat TPE cable, which means that this won't get tangled easily. It's a nice touch. I'll leave this one over here as well. Now let's take a look at the earbuds themselves. This is the charging case. It has a matte black finish. It has the Hammer logo right on top. And this is the micro USB charging port, the 5-volt charging port over here. This is quite a big charging case. As mentioned earlier, this particular charging case has a 500 mAh battery in it. But having said that, it's actually quite light. Over here, it's written that that the battery capacity is 500 mAh. I don't know if you can see this. It's very light. Now let's open this up and take a look inside. Where do I open this from here. And there you go. These are the Hammer KO earbuds. This has this ear hook design to it. And let's take a closer look. Let's give you a closer look of these particular earbuds. There you can see this has these ear hooks over here. It has an ear hook design and also has an angular nozzle over here as well. Let me show you. Check out the angular nozzle on these, and also these extra wide ear hooks as well. These ear hooks these basically secure the earbuds on your ear, making sure that they don't fall out when you're, say, walking or working out even. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Hammer KO earbuds. Thank you for watching.